Welcome to episode 32. Here we will learn about the splice method. The array splice method modifies the contents of an array by moving existing elements with new elements. So you can either remove or replace the existing elements with new ones. As an example, I have an array of numbers. If I want to pass in just one parameter to array1.splice, if I just pass in the index 1, it will start from the first index, so 0, 1. This is the target index. And because I'm not passing any other parameters, it will by default delete everything starting from this index and then returns that deleted values. So if I console log the result and run the code, I see 2, 3, 4, 5. This entire section has been removed and then returned. We can verify the original array by console logging it, and we check that only 0 has been left in the original array. This is when we pass one argument. If I pass a second argument, this is the delete count. So what I'm saying by this is starting from index 1, delete two numbers. So 2 and 3 will be deleted and this will be returned in our result. We can check this by running this code, and I see 2 and 3 have been removed from the array and then returned. We can again verify this by array1, and we check the original array now is 0, 4, 5 because 2 and 3 have been removed. We can also pass in a third argument. This is adding new elements. So 2 removed and then an element that can be added. I can do 10. If I console log the result, I see 2 and 3 have been removed because of this, and 10 has been added, which we can check by console logging the original array. So 10. It's important to note that the target index will be the addition point of the new element. So the target index is 1 here. These two are removed and then 10 replaced instead of these two. I could also add additional elements and as many elements as I want. Running the code, I see 10, 11, and 12 have been added, which is starting from the third argument. I could also pass in another array as a value, 14, and instead of these three, I could use the spread operator and pass them as the third argument. And as a result, I get 0, 13, 14 added, and 4, 5 as the older values. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.